What's up everyone? Joe back with Grill Joe's Barbecue, and today we got a package in from another company. We're about to pull it in here, get it unboxed, and see what we're working with. So, let's get it inside. One of two. Alright, let's see if we can fit through that door. There we go. We got a package from Z Grills. Woo! Alright. Oh, and as you can see, got the new merch on, link in description. Ooh, we got the cover. Legs here. Oh man. Leg, and simple instruction. Simple installation instructions. That's my kind of instructions right there. You got two different, I'll even say, front left leg, left rear leg. Sit down, get these legs installed. Distance wise, let's see. Yeah, that should be good here. Ooh, bottom one though. Whew. All right. There. Just drop those into place, just like that. Goes somewhere right about. All right. We just gotta stand it up. All right, I'll put the rest of the stuff on real quick, and then we'll check it out. Woo! There she is. It comes with two temperature probes ready to go. We got a cord tie up here on the side. Of course, your top down pellets. You have a bottom rack and a top rack. Now we're ready to take this thing outside and get it initially burned in. Coming out or staying in? You coming out? Alrighty. Now I got my box of pellets that they sent me. We're gonna read the instructions on the initial fire up. Now I am gonna wrap this in aluminum foil to make it a lot easier to pull out and clean. I have some heavy duty foil. You always wanna start these with the lid open and on the smoke setting. Once you see a little bit of smoke coming out, I'm gonna do the initial burn in. I'm gonna put it on high. And we're just gonna let that thing go for about 45 minutes, burn off any of the oils that's on these grates from, just manufacturing. After that 45 minutes, I found some bratwurst in my freezer. So we're just gonna toss those on. Real quick, easy cook on this, but I got a lot of cool stuff coming for this. I've planned out a lot of cooks. So we'll throw those on in a minute. All right, guys, we let this do its burn in at 450 degrees for about 45 minutes. Then I kicked the temp down to 250. And all I had in my fridge to throw on this thing was some knackwurst? I don't know. These were in my freezer. I won them at a Oktoberfest, so we're gonna throw them in here. I mean, obviously, there's a lot of room in here for more than these four little guys, but I have a lot of cooks planned for this thing, but I just wanted to grab something that I already had, but we're gonna throw them on there and have ourselves a little bratwurst lunch. Alright guys, I kicked this up to 275 and I'll show you what we got going on now. That's how you know they're done, when they pop open. So we're gonna get these off. What I like to do is hit it with that ketchup in the bun. Then we're gonna hit it with some of that mustard. Ah, what was I thinking? Some of that relish. Just like that. We got a super loaded, I don't remember what these were called. Winterhurst. Now we gotta get some pictures. Now we're gonna attempt to try this without getting it on my white shirt. So here we go. That's really good. I don't know what these were, but they fit on a hot dog bun, and they're great with ketchup, mustard, and relish. So there's that. Not a great thing to really capture a lot of smoke with, since it has that casing on it. But we got a little in there when it cracked open. I got a lot more normal smoker things coming to cook on this, but I just wanted to get something on there today. Lots of cool stuff coming for the Z Grills. Again, link in the bio for the merch. We got link in the bio for the Z Grills. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.